comes up into our live for Tip Tuesday. Awesome. Okay. So we are live now. We're getting audio. Great. And then we can do a end stream. We're live. Let's double check that. That's interesting. So you don't have to connect it from a standpoint of going live. You're already live. Here we are. Okay, cool. So what we could do here is play around with some other features, like sharing a window like the stocks S&P 500 spreadsheet. And we could make the fields bigger. And then we could go into data and choose stocks. This shouldn't be anything special. Oh, it is. I thought I fixed that, but I must not have. So we're going to do grab all this data, insert values, and then we're going to do stocks. So we're going to take a look at the data, see which ones we can get to convert. Let's see if Inc. or if it's Corp. Or if it's maybe a space here. It's always something with the name. I can see that I got 3M, I got Abbott, AppV, Accenture. Got a problem with Akamai. Technologies, I can see that it's on the NASDAQ there. Allstate, a problem. New York Stock Exchange. Alphabet. Could look for Google. And look for which one this is pulling up. 2-week high. The 2-week high. Looks like pretty much the same thing. And same stuff here. We can do 52-week highs, 52-week low. Do that through our spreadsheet. Now let's see. If this shows up okay on, it does. It looks like it's showing up perfect on YouTube. Great. In that case, I could decide what I'm doing with these other rows. Maybe I delete them. Just deal with the ones that it figured out. DM figures out here. There we go. Arthur J. Gallagher is AJG. New York Stock Exchange, AT&T is just T. So we could do one or the other. We could just delete the information, or we could correct it like Bank of America. Expand this, we can see the difference. We can just delete some fields here. Then once we're bringing in the right information from an Excel's perspective, we would have the ability to go ahead and do some other things with this data. So I can bring those three and get rid of them. I can come down here to these two, get rid of them. Costco. Oops. There we go, delete. And look for others that might be a problem. Five networks, a third bank. Get the idea. We've got about 180, 190 so far that were all close enough for Excel to figure out what stock we were looking for or at. Got several others here. Get rid of all those. Cells up. It doesn't look like that did it. This looks like it does it. Perfecto. Wonder if there'd be a way to tell it to do the ones that it didn't figure out on its own quickly. Let's see if there's a way to do that. So I could do a sort. What's under data? Sort. New, or we could expand the selection. Then we're going to sort by column A. See if it's, yeah, it's still got some, but they should be alphabetical now. You can see the alphabetical list of them and 3M being there. These three being here at the top. I could delete them. So this is our test here on, today we're testing on YouTube. End of the stream.